In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Power BI report. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up Power BI Desktop and then open up the report you want to share. So I've got this Hospify template I want to share. So I've got this open. Now, before we share it, you generally need to publish the report to the Power BI service before you can share it with other people online. So to share it, come on over to the Home tab and then look for the share box here or publish. So yeah, share publish. So publish report online in the Power BI service. So it says here, do you want to save your changes? If you do, go ahead and click on save and then yeah, go ahead and share it. Then from here, go ahead and click on the green share button on the top right hand corner of the page so we can share this. So the recipients you select will receive a notification email with a link to the file, or we can copy the link. So a sharing link to the file is copied to the clipboard and can be pasted wherever you choose. We can also manage access to this, so you see who the file has already been shared with and manage their access. So I've gone ahead and clicked on the share button. So go ahead and put in, make sure to sign into. So you need to be signed into Power BI to do that. So yeah, sign in and then you'll be able to share it in those different ways.